We elevate everything, right, to the same level of urgency. Every meeting, every email, every deadline, whether it was said or not or implied, everything is urgent. Right? That's why we feel like the minute that thing comes into your inbox, I do it too, I got to reply, right? I want to check it off the list, get it done. And we know that's not the case. The second thing is we like to multitask. I love a good to-do list. I love to multitask. But the issue, right, is we know the more complex the task or more strategic it is, the diminishing the returns if we're multitasking. I'm not saying that you shouldn't answer an email while you're on a Zoom call. I do it all the time. But when you're thinking about something more strategic or something that is meaningful work and you're multitasking, you're not going to be able to do it. You need to carve out time to think. Now let me actually do another exercise with you to prove another point about complexity, how we fall into the trap, okay? Now this one is easy. What I'm going to do in a minute is I'm going to flash on the screen just a number. I want you to catalog it, right, and be able to just shout it back to me. Okay, I'll put it on the screen for 5 seconds, take a look at it, and then I'm going to have you shout it back to me. You guys ready? Again, very nervous. Here we go. All right, 1, 2. Oh, gotta move. Okay, who can give it to me? Who's got it? Right here. What'd you do? She wins. That's perfect. Send me your resume, girl. That was amazing. So, yes, well done. Now, what's interesting is half the room was like, that's smart. The other half probably thought you cheated. Right? You cheated. That was a work hack. That was a workaround. That was not wrong. No one said, this is a great example of assumptions at work. We like to make things harder than it needs to be. Everyone assumed. Everyone's like, 315-642, right? By the way, this was part of my old childhood telephone number, so I could easily write it down. But we try and come up with a pattern, right? And we can't come up with it because we're so busy doing it the old way. So there are a lot of things we need to do around questioning our assumptions around how we work so we can do something more easily. To do that, I've got to get you out of this trap. Congratulations, you're like everyone else, you're human. And this is what happens at your company if you have complexity. And I think all of you do.